Alright, my wife said I didn't do this correctly. She said I should show you how to cook the meal. So what I have here is about 250 milliliters of water. Or for those of you who speak American or Texan like me, that's about 8 ounces. And I have my aluminum canteen cup. Here is my meal pack. You really can't see it too well. That's a 1-gallon storage bag. And everything I'm about to show you was packed in there. Here we have 3 cups of coffee with sugar. That might be 4 cups, depending on how strong you like it. A Quaker Oats instant oatmeal. 2 protein bars. A can of roast beef with rice and lentils. That's half a cup of rice, 1/4 cup of lentils, a little salt, a little garlic powder, a little bit of turmeric. Then I have sardines and crackers, which I won't eat right now because I have no way to brush my teeth up here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these with this little camp stove, and I'm going to show you how to cook your meal. Because if you just put everything in the cup and leave it sitting over the fire, it won't be a meal and it won't be enjoyable. So let's finish this video. Let me get things set up, since I don't have a tripod and I can't cook with one hand. Let me get the fire going and show you how this works.